Hi, this is Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we have a high torque starter. Okay, this is a big upgrade for your stock one. If you've got a big motor like an S&S, RevTech, whatever it is, you know, this is the one, the Ultima. These people, I believe, actually make them for Ultima, which is why they're good quality. This particular start retails $2.5 to $2.95, depending on what spec you get, top post, side post. You can see the real solid billet thing. The difference is in here, there's a reduction gear. So basically you've got a small starter here running a big gear on here. So it gives it massively more torque, even though it won't draw any more current than the stock starter. Very, very heavy bit of kit, very well made. This is a side post. Okay, you get a top post, side post, you know, depending on where you need it, if you've got an oil tank in the way or not. But cracking bit of kit, really heavy compared to the stock Harley things, but obviously got a lot more technology going on in there. If you're interested in these, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com. It's no bigger than the stock starter, but just massively more powerful. So if you've got clearance issues on a bagger, for instance, this is the one to buy. Customcruisers.com, or call me, Mike, 01773835666 for all your upgrades, motors, starters, clutches, primaries, you name it. Thank you.